Here's our vocabulary lesson for this week. Our first word is pronounced. Pronounced is a verb. So let's say the word together pronounced. And pronounced means the way a word is pronounced is a way that it should be said out loud. She pronounced her letters and words very carefully. So she pronounced her words. Our second word is wildlife. Wildlife is a noun. Let's say it together. Wildlife. And wildlife is animals that live in open land and not with people. And here is a variety of wildlife living near the watering hole in Africa. Our next one is permanent. Permanent is an adjective. Let's say it together. Permanent. And something is permanent lasts forever. And this one's talking about permanent teeth. When you're about 6 or 7, you start to lose your baby teeth and get your permanent teeth in. Romped. Romped is going to be a verb. Let's say it together. Romped. If something romped, it ran and jumped in a happy way. These dogs romped through the grass. Next one is prepare. Prepare is also a verb. Say it together. Prepare. If you prepare something, you get it ready. So this dad is helping the boy prepare breakfast. Separate. Separate is an adjective. And let's say that one together. Separate. Things that are separate are not together. The fish are in two separate bowls. So this is separate, not separate, but separate. Surface. Surface is a noun. And if you look, these koi fish are coming to the surface to get some food. And something is surface is something is the top or outside of it. And like I said, the fish came to the surface to be fed. So they're coming to the top of the water. Wraps. That's also a verb. So let's say it together. Wraps. Wraps is if something wraps around another thing, it winds or goes around that thing. And the blanket securely wraps the newborn baby. So that blanket wraps around the baby. Attached. That's our next one. Attached is a verb as well. And let's say it together, attached. When things are attached, they are joined together. The string is attached to the kite and it keeps it secure. So that string keeps that kite from flying away. Crack. It is a verb as well. Let's say it together, crack. A crack means a break or a split. If you look, there's a crack in the sidewalk or the cement, and the earthquake was strong enough to crack the sidewalk. This one is sheltered, and it's an adjective. Let's say it together, sheltered. And it's a place to protect from the wind or rain. So this cave is sheltered in place as a place in the rocks. So you can be protected from the wind and the rain if you're in that cave. Weary. This means it's an adjective, and let's say it together. Weary. Someone who is weary is very tired. So these racers look very weary as they run. And hide. It is a noun. Let's say it together. Hide. And this is different from what you think. And hide is an animal skin. So the hide of a donkey is covered with short, stiff hair. So a hide can also be a skin, not like you hide somewhere. This is a noun, hide. And these are our vocabulary words for the week. We have hide, weary, sheltered, crack, attached, wraps, surface, separate, prepare, romped, permanent, wildlife, pronounced, mingles. Oh, mingles was from last